Hey everyone, it's Degenerate Dividends. Just thought I'd give an update on my swing trade positions. I'm going to try my best not to say every 2 seconds because I noticed I did that in the last video. Right now you're looking at Robinhood Live. I just said it again. Looking at Robinhood Live, I'm recording this at 1:47 p.m. So you will see fluctuations with the account. The only swing trade I did yesterday was I bought Rocket Mortgage. Well, Rocket Companies is what they're technically called. Sold them for a little bit of a loss today, and I'm heading down for a little bit of a loss right now, but it's only $12, 0.35%. That can change in a heartbeat. So I'm looking at these positions, and I have 4 of them. So this is new, and this is one thing that I have learned swing trading, that it makes a lot more sense to either diversify, or if you're going to buy one single position and you're confident in that one single position, well, then buy at multiple entries throughout the day. So this is especially crucial for me because I'm typically a person who likes to buy intraday when positions are down. So a perfect example today is Corsair Gaming. So let's just say I wanted to go all in on Corsair Gaming, right? So when it opened, it was at $20.50, and you can see it went down really fast. It went down 7% in what seemed to be, well, what time was that? 7% in 30 minutes. So really, really quick. And let's just say I wanted to go all in on Corsair Gaming. Normally, I would probably buy it, around the 1950 range and just go all in, and then I'd be in a really tough position. However, I've learned this the hard way, and it's very key for keeping your capital is don't go all in at once if you're going in a single position. So I typically have around $3,000 to spend on a stock. So my latest thing is the maximum I'm willing to do in one time is $1,000. And if the stock kind of stagnates, or if it goes up, just let it go. And you could either buy other positions or just keep that money and do a limit buy for, let's say, the 2% down from where you originally bought the first tranche. But this is what I do. This is what I did buy. So let's get the market here. You can see I have 50 shares at an average cost basis of $18.83. So why did I buy this position? Well, I've been following Corsair since its IPO, and I made a decent money on buying the IPO. So if we go to the history here, let's go. Stop saying you can see the market buy down here for $2,299, and then I sold it for $2,590. So $2,300 buy, $2,600 sell, a nice $300 profit, and an account this small, that is absolutely humongous. So I've been following Corsair since their IPO. I think this dip it's kind of bringing it back to normal, but Corsair might be one that I'm holding a little bit longer term. I think they have better projects than their main competitor, Logitech. So I might hold this one more than one day that I've typically been doing with these swing trades, unless something absolutely drastic happens. The next one is Rite Aid. And now Rite Aid I actually got from researching from TradingView and looking at relative strength index, and this one was below 30. And then I dug into it deeper. I looked at the 3-month chart and the 1-year chart, and I'm like, wow, this one has a lot of potential. You see it down here. This is on the 3-month chart. It's really starting to consolidate. It's getting that nice action where you would want the bounce to happen. You look at the 1-year chart, and there it is again. It has that very nice, well, let's get the marker, has that very nice bounce at the end, and it's beautiful. The 3 months, if you look at the volume here, there was a lot of volume when it's selling off. And now that the volume has gone pretty much back to normal, that means that, in my opinion, the selling off is mostly done. So I'm hoping to get a nice little kickback here. Ideally, I would want it to get back to around the $10.50 to $11 range. If it goes higher than that, awesome. Obviously, since I used all my day trades, I'm going to set a stop loss tomorrow. But we scroll down here. I've purchased 100 shares at $9.89. So we're currently, barely in the profit of 0.6%, $6 here. So that is the second one. We go back. The third one is BP, and this was on my watch list that I put out on Sunday. I'm in the red a little bit on this one. Average cost of $17.27. You see I have another 50 shares of this one as well. Again, I look at that 3-month chart and the 1-month chart, and yes, it is a falling knife, but I'm starting to see some consolidation. Whoops, let's go back. I'm starting to see some real consolidation, some real flatlining here. Now, this is the glory of the stop loss because obviously you can reverse trend and it goes down into that falling knife pattern yet again. And you always have the ability to cut losses. If you're a swing trader, you must take advantage of being able to cut losses and notice when reverse trends are occurring. The last one, I'm following financial education on this one. I'm going with Nordstrom. The chart set up beautifully. If you look at the 3-month chart, you're seeing a nice recovery. Now, I'm worried on the 3-month chart, if we draw that line right here, that it's getting close to equilibrium. But if we scroll out to the 1-year chart, you can see that it has a little bit more room to run. So again, there's multiple charts, multiple technical analysis that you can use for your data. I just like this one at $13.50. I think it can recover to $14. You can see at the lows here, you're looking at $13.18 and $13.70. So when it reached a row around $11 or so, I see a lot of potential for run up. And I believe this week has just been confirmation that we will run up. Now, obviously, we've seen 12%, as you're seeing on the screen right now, of a run up already this week. But I believe this is just a confirmation that a lot of buyers are looking for. There's a lot of shares out there that are short, and we could see a short squeeze. So I'm holding on to Nordstrom. BP, I'm not sure how long I'm going to hold on to that one. That one's going to be a slow mover. I'll see where that one goes tomorrow and after hours tonight. Nordstrom, I want to hold for a little bit longer term. Rite Aid, I feel has the biggest potential to be a home run. 100 shares into that. The pattern is really, really nice. Corsair, again, might be long-term trades. But hey, I will do an update video whenever I sell one of these positions, the reasoning I sell it, and if I bought another position. Hope you like these swing trading videos. I'm learning a lot in the past 3 weeks, and I hope that you're enjoying the new content. I hope you enjoy hearing from Degenerate Dividends. I'm at $3,400. I put a little bit more money in. I think the comeback video I did on Saturday, I had around $3,000 in the portfolio. So I'm at $3,400. I did put in $500 because if we go in the week here, it's been a rough week. So I am down 9%, but it's all good. We look at the past month up 25%. The past 3 months, I'm up 15%. So I can't really complain. It's a bad week. It's going to happen when you're swing trading, especially with me. I'm new. I'm still learning the ins and outs of technical accounting and what I'm exactly looking for. I've also been very, very impatient selling the next day, and it might be better to let my runners run a little bit more if I do get some successful percentages tomorrow. So we'll see where it takes us. I will keep doing update videos, and I'm hoping that every Sunday or every weekend I can also do more videos of watch list for the week. And who knows, maybe I'll start doing intraday videos where I see a position that I like, even if I'm not entered it, and I'll see why. I'll say why I like it. Just let me know down in the comments below if you want to see my opinions on stocks, or if you have a stock that you want me to do a review on, if it's good for what I would consider a swing trade. And also feel free to throw out suggestions, because I learn a lot of my positions from other people, and it makes it fun. We all root for the same position then. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys and gals next one.